Hi students, we are discussing about this ninth grade production of food from animals. In last class we discussed about apiculture. So honeybees, different types of bees we discussed. So queen bees like workers and drones. So we are going to complete this lessons today. Production of food from animals. So from last classes we are discussing, we are getting food production from not only plants, from animal also. We are getting food materials from animals also. It's very important. The last one is fisheries. The last one is fisheries. We are not only depending on the goats, chickens, we are also depending on the aquatic animals. These aquatic animals also fulfilling our needs, fulfilling our food materials. So this fisheries nowadays is a very important food material for us. So we are getting high protein food materials from the fish. Fish is a very good food materials. So when we are start eating the fish, so our brain will start decreasing. Compared to the goat, compared to the meat, compared to the chicken, fish is a very good for health. So some people, some students, they don't like fishes because thorns is present, mullu type fishes. They love fish, they love to eat fish, but because there are thorns is present in the fish, that's why they don't like to eat. It will take too much time to eat compared to chicken and meats. So but you have to try to eat fish. It's very good for health because high protein is present in the fish. High proteins is present in fish. So in fish, so we can see there are different types of fishes as there, like hybrid, like marine varieties, and we can see the local varieties fishes also. What are the local varieties fishes? We know only few names of the fishes, like prawns, like lobsters, like crabs. So prawns, have you eaten any prawns? It's very healthy food, prawns. And but the seafoods are very warm also, hot. So these are very good, but it is very heat also for body. Those who are having like allergy problems, already have plenty of like heat in your body, you are not supposed to eat this fish. Okay, there are different types of local varieties there, like morel fish. What is the name of this morel? Coramino, like coramino. Morel is a coramino, and Katla is Zela, local varieties of this species. Katrana. This Katrana is Bonchelu. I think you know very well. This Andhra people, they know very well about this local varieties of this fishes. Rohu fish, and seal. Rohan seal. Wanjira. I think this one. Wanjira. Mosses. katla, katrana, roe and seal. And there are like marine fishes also is there, like sardines, mackerel, crustacean, tunas, mollusca, catfish, ribbon. So these are the like marine fishes. Marine fishes. What is the difference between the freshwater fish and the marine systems? Marine fishes. What is the difference between the freshwater fishes and marine water fishes? So this marine water fishes having a more salt in their body. They have more salty fish. We can see salty fish because plenty of salt is present in the marines. Their body shape, their body design, so it's very different compared to the fresh water fishes. So these are the local varieties and the marine fishes. Our India coastal line having 7,500 kilometers of coastal line of our India have around 7,500 kilometers coastal lines. In that coastal line around 0.48 millions of square meters. 0.48 millions of square meters. So you go to Andhra, in Chennai, like in Mangalore, there are Arabia Seas, Hindu Mahasamudram. There are like different type of oceans is there around our India map. See oceans. You can see different types of oceans. Not only oceans, like seas, we have some rivers also. Like rivers, you can see some ponds, some lakes. So we can see everywhere this fishes is available in oceans, in fresh waters, in ponds, in lakes, in rivers. Everywhere this fish is available. So this fishes is very, very important for us. The last one we can see inland fisheries. Inland fisheries. So nowadays this cultivated fishes are very, very economically. If you go to Andhra, agriculture land is converted into like fisheries, fish land. Agriculture land is converted into fish lands. Agriculture land is converted into prawns lands. So they will cultivate this agriculture land into pond lands, like fish lands, prawn lands, like lobster. That so many land is cultivated because after a few months they will get more money, more income from this fish lands. So 1 month or 2 months or 3 months they will take some durations. After that they will sell into the market. They will get more money compared to the agricultures. So if you go to like in Vijayawada, like in Andhra, so many agriculture land is cultivating. So they will take some breeds and the breed will be grown into the waters. They will supply food materials, what they need. So like this also becoming like this. They are doing like this. The last one is inland fisheries. So nowadays naturally we are converting this inland fisheries. If you see your textbook, we can see this inland fisheries, fish ponds. So inland fishes, they will make a specific place for the fishes. They will collect some breeds, they will cultivate these breeds into this specific inlands, in the ponds, chervulu, chepa chervulu unnai, chepa like fields they are converting the fish feed. There are so many examples is there. So in one fish lands, in one pond, they will cultivate a different types of fishes. What is the use of cultivating a different types of fishes in one land, in one particular place? For example, so if you are growing a murel, coramine in a particular place, what happens? If any disease occurs, so if one fish is affected with the disease, the entire, all the fishes will be affected with this fishes. That's why it is not good practice to cultivate a same fish in one land. That's why they will go for a different types of fishes will grow in a one particular place. There is no competition between one fish to another fish because different fishes have a different types of food habits. Coramine will eat some other food materials, cutla eats some other food materials, katrana eats some other food materials. If they have different types of habits of eating food materials, if they are cultivating in one place, if they are growing in one place, even this disease also not spread to the other fish. So one fish having a different types of disease, it will be not affect on the other fish because they are not same. They are not same species. They are not same like genes. They do not have same things. That's why it is good method to cultivate different fishes in one particular ponds. One particular ponds. For example, we can see some fishes will present in like cattlas. Cattlas will always present on the surface feeder. See, it's a surface feeder. It will present on the surface, on the water. If any food materials is available on the surface, it will start eating. Cattlas will feed on the surface like insects. Next one is rohs. This rohs is a middle zone feeder. Middle zone feeder. This cattlas will not enter in the middle zone. So this rohs will present in a middle. For example, this is the water. The first layer cattlas is present, and the second rohs is present. And bottom feeder like mrigals. Mrigals are bottom feeders. Bottom feeders. See, on the top cattlas is present, on the middle rohs is present, and the bottom mrigals is present. They have a different stage levels. So they started eating. If all cattlas is present in one pond, so what happens? They will stay on the surface area only. After a few days, the food materials present on the surface will be collapsed. After that, there is no, it's very difficult to survive it. That's why rohs will be present in the middle, mrigals is present in the bottom, cattlas is present on the top. So food materials is available on the top, on the bottom, and the middle also. That's why cultivating a mixed fishes in one land, like ponds, like lakes, like rivers, like artificial agricultural land, they are converting agricultural land into fisheries land, prawns lands. It's very, very good. The last one is grasscapes. Grasscapes will feed on only weeds. What is weeds? Feed on only weeds. where weeds is present in the bottom, kalupu mokkalu, the waste plants grow in the waters, weeds. So this fishes will feed on the weeds. So that's why it is very good method to cultivate a different fishes in a one particular ponds, in a one particular land is a very important. These are the different types of fishes like freshwater fishes, marine water fishes, last one is inland fishes. The last one is what is eustachius? What is eustachius? You can see in some place various where both sea water and fresh water is going to mix together. Sea water and fresh water is going to mix together is called as eustachius. Where fresh water and sea water is going to meet together is called as eustachius. In these areas we can see different types of fishes also is there. The various in eustachius fishes is different compared to the marine fisheries and the freshwater fisheries. There are very costly fishes also is there like Apollo fish. They do not have thorns in their body. Only once, like one thorn is there. If you remove that one thorn, it is very easy to eat. So we can see the size of the fish also like the size of this lorry. The weight is very high. Like blue whale, you can see 1,50,000 kg. A blue whale weight is 1,50,000 kg. These are the different types of like fishes we observed today, like marine fishes, like marine fishes, and the local varieties of the fishes. Okay. Today homework you have to write. So what is fisheries? What is marine fisheries? And what is inland fisheries? Like Catlas is present on the surface feeders. Ross is present on the middle zone feeders, Briggles is bottom feeders, and grass caps will feed on the weeds. Okay, thank you students.